My name is Anne Litwin, and
I'm Mike Willard.
we are at home in St. Louis at the St. Regis co-op building. We moved here about 6 years ago from Boston, Massachusetts, and we found this neighborhood, the Central West End, and we just loved it. It was a lot like the neighborhood we had lived in Boston, which we loved. It was an urban neighborhood. You could walk everywhere. There are shops and restaurants. And then we found this building, the St. Regis, and we loved it. We love old buildings, and it's beautiful and has high ceilings and big rooms and lots of light. And so we settled here, and we're very surprised to learn once we did that we were actually moving into a community building where the culture here is that people, they work together to beautify the building. They help each other if someone's sick or has surgery. It's just very, very community. It really is a community. Michael is a retired stained glass artisan and artist. And so he retired from a very active business in Boston. When we moved here, he wanted to stay involved with it just because he loves doing it. And so he has a studio in the basement here, courtesy of the building. And he has actually restored the stained glass windows here in the St. Regis. And it's been wonderful to be able to contribute that.